Sure. Here is a 3-paragraph description of the Propagate Pro Brewing and Fermentation Heat Pad for Homebrew. Beer and wine fermenting 120 vac 12 or 25 watt heating mat. Safe for plastic glass Carboy fermenters with heat or temp strips. 12 inches heat mat plus heating thermostat. Are you a homebrewer? Do you make your own wine? Then you know temperature matters. It is like the sun for your plants. It helps them grow. Fermentation needs steady warmth, but getting consistent temperatures is hard. Weather changes. Your house cools down. This can spoil your batch. The Propagate Pro Fermentation Heat Pad Kit solves this. This kit provides gentle, even heat. It keeps your yeast happy. Moreover, it prevents stalls. This means better beer. This also means better wine. This Propagate Pro Fermentation Heat Pad Kit includes everything. It has a heat mat. It is 12 inches. It also has a thermostat. You set the temperature. The mat gives a gentle warmth. It works for 120 vac outlets. Choose 12 or 25 watts. Therefore, it is safe for all fermenters. Use it with plastic. Use it with glass. It also comes with temp strips. These strips monitor heat. They are like a thermometer. So, you always know the temperature. Furthermore, it is easy to use. Just plug it in. Set your desired heat. The mat does the rest in conclusion. The Propagate Pro Fermentation Heat Pad Kit is a must-have. It takes the guesswork out. It ensures perfect fermentation. You get consistent results every time. It's like having a master brewer right there in your home. Moreover, it's affordable. It is durable. So, invest in your hobby. Get this heat pad. Your beer and wine will thank you. Finally, enjoy consistent, delicious results. Pros: perfect for sourdough baking, consistent warm temperature, dough rises well, good for colder months, right size for proofing bowls, works safely with glass and plastic, doesn't overheat. Gentle warmth for fermentation, versatile, effective, easy to use, great for brewing beer, wine, safer than oven for dough, energy efficient for dough. Makes bread taste better, great for sourdough starter, doesn't take up much room, good for cold basements, easy setup, reliable temperature. Cons: needs a thermostat, no idea of temperature, no temp controls. Just on, off, temp strips not for contents, can be too hot for dough, struggles to heat glass. Bottom of glass cooks. Features: for homebrew beer and wine 120 vac power 12 or 25 watt heating, safe for plastic, glass. Includes temp strips, includes thermostat 12-inch heat mat, Propagate Pro brand, fermentation heat pad, heats fermenters. The Propagate Pro Fermentation Heat Pad is a safe and easy to use device designed for homebrewers to keep their beer and wine at the right temperature. It works with both plastic and glass fermenters and comes in 12 or 25 watt heating options. Powered by a standard 120 vac outlet. This 12-inch heat mat includes temperature strips and a thermostat, making it simple to control the heat for successful fermentation. The Propagate Pro heating mat is a good way to keep your homebrew beer, wine, or sourdough at a steady, warm temperature. It comes with a thermostat and is safe to use with both plastic and glass containers. This heat mat is especially helpful in colder weather or cold places like basements, ensuring your dough rises well and your fermentation goes smoothly. It's also energy efficient for sourdough and safer than using an oven for proofing. However, it's important to remember that the included temperature strips are for the mat's surface, not the liquid inside. And while it's generally gentle, some users might find it too warm for dough or that it struggles to heat glass containers evenly. Without careful monitoring,